What the hell is happening to Forex trading? Where did we guys go wrong? Because Forex trading is becoming something else. And my heart goes to beginners. My heart goes to those people who are trying to put things in order. My heart goes to them. I don't know whether I'm the only one who is always eager to learn something new in Forex trading. When I hear something new, like when the order blocks really came, I focused on knowing what order blocks are. From order blocks, we got to fair value gaps. From the fair value gaps, now we are something called the turtle soup. But basically, guys, something I have never, ever tried to convince people is that now we have smart money concepts. And people are very excited because they're going to learn the smart money tactic, and basically they're going to make money like the smart money. But when you learn all those concepts, you come to realize those are actually what you knew about price action. Guys, when you try to understand the ICT concepts, those are very close to smart money concepts. You find these are just names changed. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, and I'm telling you this out of my own experience. When I see something trending in Forex trading, I know, and I'm telling you this for free, it will not work for long. It will not really make a lot of traders profitable. Why? Because smart money knows what traders are aware of. You understand me? And they will do anything possible to make sure that thing will not make you profitable. And that's why when as well we had change of character and break of structure and order block as well, many people thought that that is a holy grail. And so after losing money, they started saying, no, you're not able to identify order block correctly. Just know that we have a valid order block and invalid order block. The same is happening to change of character. The same is happening to break of structure, which is okay. I'm not really disagreeing on that because that should be taught everyone. You understand me? But what happens that whatever we learn and put a lot of effort on that is trending won't work at the end of the thing. And when it comes to a point where it is not working, you find something new that is coming. We had a CRT. I've heard about it, and I'm actually trying to do a video that will simplify everything about that. That is actually very close to what we know: accumulation, manipulation, and distribution, according to what I understood. And so guys, I'm trying to sell this idea to you traders. When you learn something, just know it is a guide. It is a guide, and a lot is left on your side because you have to use what you've learned to come up with your own way of trading. How many strategies have you learned on YouTube? How many strategies have you learned on TikTok? How many strategies have you learned from many sources, and you come to realize as well they're not working for you? That tells you there is something extra. I don't know whether you're getting me correctly. I'm not really discouraging anyone. I'm not here to say that they're not working, but I'm here to tell you these are the same thing, the same thing that we know, but they're changing names. And that's why I've decided to do this video, because it's very hard to convince someone whatever I'm talking about. Some have really invested heavily on indicators. They're really buying expensive indicators. I don't want to mention the platform or the website because I know you know the website they're buying these indicators from. It was very hard for me. I was even unable to look at the price of those indicators because I knew it could have disturbed me. Traders, let's refocus. Let's look for something that will basically work for you. And I've told you what you're learning. The fair value gaps, the order blocks, the CRT candle, the turtle soup. It will come to a point where you will see it is not really working as you expected. And basically, you have no one to blame. You cannot blame any YouTuber because you learned something extra. That's the goal of them. But I want you to refocus. I want you to actually do your own thing. There is a lot behind the guides you get. You will learn smart money concept there everywhere. We have very good channels that teach about smart money concept. But basically, I'm very good at learning them and I'm very good at testing them. But I can tell you for sure, there is a lot that needs to be done, especially if you are a beginner. And a question you should ask yourself, why am I learning and I'm not making money? When you get an answer to that, that's when you will become profitable. I'm not discouraging you from buying indicators, but it's good to be honest. Is it a holy grail? They will tell you no, it is not. So that shows, despite of buying an indicator as well, you have to learn something extra. And that's why I say, even if you buy an indicator that is working majestic, you have to have an extra knowledge. What if an indicator tells you buy here, and you have your own confirmation that you're going to take your buy order? You're going to lose money. They are actually created by humans like us. And I say we don't expect them to be 100% accurate. I'm sharing this idea to anyone who needs this. You're going to spend a lot of years, I'm sorry to say this, looking for something that will work for you. I'm sorry to say this. 2% shows that you get that, and 98% shows that you will not. What if you start by yourself? YouTube is very good. I also have a YouTube channel, but I teach something that will make you understand what Forex trading is. We have PDFs, yes, but they help you understand what Forex trading is. After basics. Smart money concept, they are all over. You don't have to pay anyone to teach you smart money concept. You don't have to pay anyone to teach you price action. You don't have to pay anyone to teach you, I don't know, the turtle. So it is here. But you have to be very, very sharp. Forex needs someone who is thinking outside the box, especially if you want to be your own mentor. There is mentors who are genuine. They are ready to hold your hand. Congratulations to them. Your journey will become easier. But to those especially muscle, those who never had someone holding their hand, and you're relying on a lot of things, indicators, you're looking for any coming up indicator, you're looking for any coming up strategy, you test losing money, it will take you longer. It will take you longer. That's what I felt like sharing with you. That's what Forex trading is. Our goal is to become profitable. Our goal is to make money. And I know a lot of people are working so hard in getting the right knowledge. Can I tell you the truth? The right knowledge will come from you. Thank you.